Ustaz, what drives the scientific revolution in Islamic civilization and in modern civilization?
The Muslims love science because of Allah. Because they want to understand the science of Allah. They want to understand the science of God. Not today. Today people learn science because they want to control nature. They want to exploit nature. But during that time, people learn science because they want to understand ayatullah, the science of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because the more you know about the tree, the more you know Allah. People claim that ma'rifatullah can only be reached through zikr. They say no. Ma'rifatullah can be reached through observing a tree. Ma'rifatullah can be reached through observing the clouds. Ma'rifatullah can be reached through observing your child. With tadabbur, with tafakkur. Not only through sitting, saying la ilaha illallah 1 million times. I do not deny that path, but I'm saying the path to ma'rifatullah are vast. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have actually planted His science in the whole alam for you to discover. It is like a scavenger hunt, a treasure hunt that Allah has made this earth into, this world into. But we are not interested players. That's the problem. We are not interested players, Allah is like very enthusiastic father, who planted clues in the house. So that if you discover one clue after another, you will actually arrive to the grand prize. And that grand prize is the ultimate love of Allah, for example. But we are just not interested. The signs are everywhere. But we say, just a tree, Ustaz, so what? Yeah? Just the clouds, just the sun. I see this tree every single day, Ustaz. And I see this pokok mangga every single day. What's so great about this pokok mangga? The pokok mangga is great. You are the one who is not great. Our mind is stuck.